Good morning, student. Myself Neeraj Kumar Patwa, and today we will discuss about light. First of all, I want to tell you this is the class of 10th physics of English medium. Today we will discuss about light. Light. In Hindi, light means prakash. What is light? Today we will discuss about it. Light is a kind of energy. Light is a kind of energy which produce the sensation in our eyes by which we can see any object. Without light, we can't see any object. So, light is a kind of energy which produce the sensation in our eyes. There are some properties of light. The first property is light always travels in a straight line. Light always move in straight line like this type. This is a straight line, this is a straight line, this is a straight line. So light always travels in straight line. This is the first property of light. The second property of light, we can see any object in the presence of light. In the presence of light, we can see any object, but we can't see light. Means light does not see itself. With the help of light, we can see any object. This is the second property. We can't see light, but light helps us to see any object. This is the second property. Means we can see any object in presence of light, but light cannot show itself. This is the second property of light. And the third property of light, the velocity of light is 3 lakh kilometer per second. 3 lakh kilometer in 1 second. The velocity of light 3 lakh kilometer per second, or in another way we can say that the velocity of light is the velocity of light is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light in meter per second. If we want to represent the velocity of light in kilometer, then we can write that 3 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer per second. This is the velocity of light in kilometer, and this is the velocity of light in meter. This is the property of light, but this is the velocity of light in vacuum. In vacuum. Vacuum means the place where air not present, means the absence of air. That place where air not present, that is called vacuum. And next property of light, the velocity of light in different medium are different. The velocity of light is different in different medium. And this is the property of light, means the velocity of light is different in different medium. Next property of light, this is the first property of light, this is the second property of light, this is the third property, fourth property, and next property of light, light. For the traveling of light from one place to another place, there is no medium. It means that light can travel from one medium to another medium, or from one place to another place. It is not necessary to the medium, means the light can travel from one place to another place without any medium. When light can travel from one place to another place without any medium. Means for the propagation of light there is no medium. Means without medium, light can travel from one place to another place. It is clear? And next thing is the velocity of light we can see only visual light only 3900 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. Means visual light means between 3900 angstrom to 7800 angstrom light we can see. Means before this value and after this value, intensity light we can't see. Means only we can see the light between 3900 angstrom to 7800 angstrom. Clear? And बंद कर दीजिए इसको.
हो गया भैया बन गया